Hello and welcome into the Piles of Paragraphs creative space. I'm Lori and today I'm going to work on week 43 of the Margarete Miller Collage Challenge. So I hope everyone's doing well today and had hopefully a chance to do something creative. My creative is making lots of videos today because I'm going to be busy and not get some videos done for a little while. So let's see, what do we have for today? A person or animal in action. So here's this darling little boy, and he is playing hopscotch. So that's one thing. Something with a lid or a cover. And ooh, this was a challenge. So here's a shoe box here, and it's got a lid. Little girl's trying on her new shoes. Let's see, an image from a magazine. Here is a sporting image from 1991, but it was in my husband's most recent what's the word I want? Alumni magazine. Yes, there we go. Anything associated with water. Here is a sailboat, and it's commemorating shipbuilding from 1607 to 1957. Let's see, the image is Maine. It says the Virginia of, that's so little I can't read it. Anyway, 3-cent stamp, so it's an old stamp, and then an old phone number. So here's an old phone number. It doesn't have an area code, so it's from a 1975 advertising book. And then colorful washi tape. So I have some bright color washi tape, which is the football marker washi tape. Then I also have this one, which is truly colorful because it has more than one color in it. Oh, that was easy for me to say. No, it wasn't. Okay, let me get a sip of my coffee. And let's get going on this and see what I can come up with. So let's see. Not cut this out straight, so let me try and trim this edge a little bit. Okay. Those scraps that I can't get a hold of. Okay. And I've put down on my background page a piece from an old railroad. It was a big, thick railroad schedule book. I guess that's what it would be called. Just so I don't have to start with a blank page. So let's see. Well, this is the biggest image, so probably best to get him on here first. So he's there. Oh, let's see. Put him this way. Oh, goodness. There goes the street sweeper again. I guess I just have to go both directions if it's going to sweep both sides of the street, but okay. She can be up here. I just don't want her to block the phone number. Let's see. And then we can tuck this photo in here. And the sailboat. Sailboat here. And then where are we going to put the washi tape? Decisions, decisions, decisions. Well, let's see. I like this better if I hate to tear off this edge because it has that great aging on it, but it's just not very interesting with that cut straight, nice edge there. So let's tear this. Tear this one. And then I think I'll glue this one down first. Well, it's challenging setting up for lots of videos in a day, but it's more challenging having something to tell you or say to you. Let's see. What have I done this week? Oh, I'm trying my hand at dyeing a large piece of linen because I've had a request for a bigger piece of my tea-stained and coffee-dyed linen. So let's see. Okay. Let's glue this little girl down. Fresh glue page. I tell you, finding something with a lid or cover. I guess I could have found a book. I didn't run across any books when I was looking for stuff though. So, oof, that was a wee bit of a challenge. There we go. Let's see, get her here straight. Yeah. This down. Put this photo down. Yes. Two of the major universities in the state of Arizona have switched from being part of the PAC. I don't know whether the PAC 12. I don't know. I don't do a lot with college sports, so I don't always remember this stuff, but they've changed who they're with now. So they're with the Big 10 or 12 or whatever that is. So that is a big, for those of you who do sports stuff, you know that's a big deal. Big deal. Let's see what we're gonna be able to fit him under here. That'll work. We don't usually use these cute images of kids, but this I've been holding on to this book for ages, but I decided today was the day to take it apart and actually use some things out of it. Good thing I didn't see the date on it before I did that, or I probably wouldn't have, because it was from 1946 and still in perfect condition. So that hurt my book loving heart just a little bit. But it is helping me get my collages done. Let's glue down her new shoes. Okay. And let's see. It's gonna stay, hopefully. And then let's add the there. Yeah, I think that's where I had it, although you know, I never remember. Look at this on here. Not cover up the old phone number. Okay. So now we need the washi tape. I don't know why, I think I just really need to use this. Oh. So I know it has an end. Here's its end. Let's just run a little bit of it down the side here. And I guess it is definitely colorful. It's not monotone. Turn this way. Put this down. Just don't cover up the shoebox. Oh, well, that's okay. We'll keep the straight edge there because I forgot that edge was straight. That there. piece. Let's add another little piece at the top and then maybe another little piece down at the bottom. Well, not one of my best collages ever, probably, but I think I hit all of the prompts, but let's double check. See, a person or animal in motion. So we have this little boy playing hopscotch. Something with a lid or cover. We have a little shoebox here with its little lid underneath. An image from a magazine. We have this one. Anything associated with water. We have a sailboat. We have an old phone number, and then the bonus was colorful washi tape. And so we've got some really bright green washi tape here. So there we go. That is week 43 of the Margarete Miller Collage Challenge. And I hope you enjoyed this video. And if you did, please give me a like and or a thumbs up and comment and subscribe if you haven't. And thank you for joining me today. And I hope you'll join me again in the future. And for now, I will say bye-bye.